morning everyone. Today I am introducing new topic, the Griva Bheda or neck movements. There are four neck movements in Griva Bheda. First one is Sundari, second one is Tiraschina, third one is Parivartita and last fourth one is Prakampitam cha. Okay, now we will start with Shloka. सुंदरिश्च तिरश्चीन तथैव परिवर्तिता प्रकम्पितं च भावग्नेर्नियाग्रीवा चतुर्विधा. Okay, the first one is Sundari. Sundari is the neck movement of side to side. Means in this neck movement, we have to move our neck side to side like this. 1 2 1 2 1 2. The point to be noted here is the minimum movement of body. That means we have to stiff our body like this. We don't move like this. 1 like 2 like 3. We don't do like this. We have to stiff our body back straight, and we have to control on our body. Okay, so that means you have to shift it like this. You just move your neck like 1 2 1 2 1 2. Attami is the another name of neck movement. While we doing Attami, in that position you have to stand straight, and your body should be straight. Your back should be straight, and your body should be stiff in Attami position. In Abhinay Darpan, Attami would be used when we need to express ourselves. For example, like very nice or very beautiful. Like we can say very nice. Like second one is very beautiful, and we can also express in sarcastic way like so. This is called Sundari Griva. Okay, now second one is Tiraschina. Tiraschina is the next neck movement of Griva Bheda. It is like V-shape movement, something like that, like this, like this, like this, like this. In Abhinay Darpan, Tiraschina would be used when we have to express searching something like this, like this, like this. We search something like this, like this. So this is called Tiraschina Griva. Now third one is Parivartita. Parivartita is a semicircle or moon shape movement like this, like this. This movement used when you feel shy. Shy means shy from some other person, like this, like this, like this. And childish anger. Also it expresses childish anger like this. Like this. So this is the third Griva Bheda. Last one is fourth one, Prakampitam, Prakampita. Prakampita is the movement of neck movement of like forward, backward, like 1, 2, like forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. This movement is used when you have to show the movement of birds. Birds means like it's a bird's peaks, it's a kampitam mudra, like 1, forward, backward, forward, backward, like or like peacock, like. So this is the fourth Griva Bheda.